All right, welcome to our room at the Yacht Club. This is our first time staying on this side of the lake. In the past, we've stayed at Boardwalk, but with Boardwalk at the time that we booked not being open, we ended up coming over to Yacht Club for the first time. So these rooms are nice and refurbished, brand new flooring. This is what I'm really excited for. If you have somebody that gets up early in the morning, you have this nice little sliding door that actually hides the bathroom. So that's something that's really cool that I haven't seen in previous Disney hotels. Ta-da! There's the bathroom. Standard Disney bathroom here. Nothing too special. Sliding doors up above. Here's the other thing that's really cool. There's a little handle here for you to use for the bathroom, but fairly standard Disney, deluxe level bathroom. But again, they added a little privacy here, so if somebody's getting ready early in the morning, you don't have to turn all the lights on and have that shining in the room. So that's something that was really cool. You got your standard hotel fridge here. Got your coffee maker. Lights come on in here auto magically, I guess I could say. I'm also doing my last check. This is actually our checkout day, so I'm just making sure that we don't forget anything. You have your safe, ironing board, iron. And here's the other thing that's really nice too, is there's plugs everywhere. So you've got your little dresser or chest here, but it's got plugs on top. So you can plug in, your battery packs, cell phones, iPads, whatever. Same thing if you look back in the back corner of the bed here. You've got plugs and USB plugs. You've got lights, reading lights that come on the bed. All you do is pull them out. So you've got nice little reading lights, lights above the bed, lights in the center of the room. Turn all these off that the kids left on before we leave. When we had the kids in here and asleep, we actually used just the little reading lights just to provide enough glow for the adults to stay up and have an extra beverage before bed. You've got your reading desk here with extra plugs and USB ports here. So we have no issue as far as finding areas to be able to plug in our devices and our phones at night, which was awesome. We've got a balcony here as well. Now, I will say we had a standard view. The only thing that was disappointing about the room at all was just the view. Hello, tree. Oh, and, the bellhop stand and, luggage, whatever. But it was super quiet. I didn't hear this at all at night. No concerns about being in the front of the hotel. It was super quiet. We sat out here a couple of nights, had a couple beverages on the patio. So super nice. This door really dampens a lot of the noise that's out there. So I never had any concerns really as far as hotel noise. You've got your sleeper sofa that folds out. We didn't need to use it, but it's here. So that's another one of the amenities here. Standard TV. I don't have the Disney TV show running. But other than that, it's been a great hotel. Really love the location. Really love the room, especially the updated room. Again, no carpet. This is all, the luxury plank vinyl flooring. So super nice and spacious. We had plenty of room for our strollers and all of our luggage. And certainly if you have any questions about our stay here or the room itself, just leave me a comment and I'll reply in there. I typically reply pretty quickly. But yeah, this is basically the grand tour of a standard room at the Yacht Club. And we absolutely enjoyed our stay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. One last thing before I shut down the video. I'm going to have to open this up a little further. The curtains, these are really neat. They've got constellations on it. Look at that. There's Mickey. It's just neat. Just the little details that they put in the room. I mean, who else is going to do this and put constellations of their main characters other than Disney? So that's it. Thanks for watching.